Alright guys, so I'm working on my left and right horns here for the 55 four-door. So what I'm going to do, I haven't tested these yet to see if they work, so I'm going to basically clean the contact right away, just first thing, and then I'm going to take it and bench test it with my power probe. So these things, this cover that goes on this horn has 4 tabs total. There's one there, one there, one there, so it's top and bottom. So I like to leave the top alone and just try to straighten out the bottom ones a little bit. I use a flat blade screwdriver and I'll get in there and mess with it a little bit and try to bend it up out of the way. And then when you go to reinstall it, you basically you can do a brass punch and a hammer, knock it back down in there, or just push really hard with like a flat blade screwdriver or something and fold it back on there. But anyway, once you get the tabs folded up here, you can basically get your screwdriver in there a little bit, try to work it. The cover will come off. Then you got your insulators right here. You can buy these new. Of course, somebody spray painted them. These are spray painted. I'll just try to clean the paint off those and clean them up. But anyway, that's the cover. Now on these horns, there is a contact right here, almost like points ignition. So what I do is I'll take a screwdriver right here, try to work it underneath this board here. This is very delicate, so don't be too brutal with it. I'm basically just going to leave it in there. See how it opened up the space in there? And then I take a piece of sandpaper, which this is 220. I would rather use something a little bit finer, but I don't have anything, so I'll take that sandpaper and just do this on one side, and then I'll turn it upside down to get the opposite side. And pull it back out. That's how you pretty much clean the contact on your horn. Alright, so now I'm going to bench test this thing and scare the crap out of my dog. Try to get some clean metal here so I have a good ground. Alright, so I'm going to use a power probe here. And if there was ever an awesome tool in the world for automotive, it has to be the power probe. I love this thing. So you can plug it into your battery. The cord's long enough to reach all the way from the front of your car to the back of the car. But you can push forward on it and it'll show you your voltage of your battery, which is really cool. But anyway, it has a ground on it, so I will connect that to where I just cleaned it to metal. And then, I forgot to clean that. And here we go. I'm putting my hand over it so it's not so loud. Ooh. Sounds a little sick. Let's try the other one here. Okay. I'm not getting a good contact right here. All right, so So that's pretty much how you bench test your horn there. Now it's time for pretty much cleanup and a respray paint job. Probably do a matte black or a satin black or something. I don't want them too shiny. On my hardtop, I did them all like a trim black, like a satin color, and then I did these gloss black. It was a really nice complement to each other. But anyway, that pink stuff will come later. I'm just messing around because it's still raining outside. But anyway, thanks for watching.